Welcome to our video on the Sustainability Solutions Hub in Seller Central. In this guide, we'll walk you through the Sustainability Solutions Hub, a comprehensive resource for Amazon's sustainability programs. Start by accessing Seller Central. Click on Growth, then Explore Programs, and scroll to select Sustainability. You can also access the hub by visiting sellercentral.amazon.com/sustainability. The hub serves as your gateway to Amazon's array of sustainability initiatives. You'll find detailed information on programs such as the Climate Pledge Friendly program, resources such as the Service Provider Network, and insights into the Climate Pledge itself. The hub offers an overview of each program, outlining benefits, costs, how it works, and steps for getting started. It also provides general information on renewable energy. In addition to sharing information about sustainability programs, the hub also introduces new tools like reporting dashboards and a new sustainability category in the Service Provider Network. Let's explore the reporting dashboards. These tools assist in monitoring your progress, analyzing program performance, and identifying products for enrollment. They offer a comprehensive view of key performance indicators for the programs you're part of. Let's dive into the CPF dashboard as an example. It offers a performance summary with monthly and quarterly views of key metrics and revenue distribution over CPF certifications. If you scroll down further on the page, you'll find a section listing your potential CPF candidate products, which are likely to hold a CPF qualifying certification, but do not yet hold the CPF badge. Further down, you will find your top-selling products without the CPF badge, where we recommend looking for opportunities to certify products. To correctly badge products, please follow the guidelines in the CPF product submission template, which you can find on the blue link displayed on the Sustainability Solutions Hub page on Seller Central. The latest snapshot section provides a list of your CPF badged products on the latest available date, as well as the trailing 12 months revenue of these ASINs. Each dashboard is updated monthly, ensuring you have the latest data by the 15th of each month to guide your sustainability decisions. Finally, let's focus on the sustainability category within the Service Provider Network. You can access the Service Provider Network on Seller Central by selecting Apps and Services and then Explore Services. You can also access this directly through the Sustainability Solutions Hub by selecting Sustainability on the drop-down menu on the right. This section offers a hand-picked selection of third-party sustainability service providers assisting with packaging design and testing and product design and certification. Filter options refine providers by service type or program. Visit the Sustainability Solutions Hub in Seller Central and explore how you can support a sustainable world. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!